So here we've got a question about pressure, which is saying that pressure is equal to force divided by surface area, and if we're dividing by a large number, we're going to get a small pressure, and if we're dividing by a very small area, we're going to get a high pressure. So we need to think about the possible dimensions of this box. What's the smallest surface area we could have for any of the 6 faces of the box? Okay, so I believe the measurements of the box are 3 meters by 4 meters by 5 meters, and we need to think about what's the largest face possible and what's the smallest. So the largest would be 4 times by 5, and 105 divided by 20 is equal to 5.25. That will be the largest pressure possible, I think. I mean the largest possible area, 4 times by 5. And that will give me 5.25 newtons. Now, I'm going to do exactly the same experiment again, but this time I'm going to divide by the smallest surface area possible. And that's going to be 105 divided by 3 times by 4. And that, I think, equals 8.75. So on the one hand, we've got a pressure of 8.75 newtons, and on the other we've got a pressure of 5.25 newtons, and the question's asking you what's the difference between those two. And the difference is just a posh word for saying subtract, okay, or take away. So 8.75 take away 5.25, and we're left with 3.5. And I think that's the answer to the question. Do show your work, and notice I'm going to write it out longhand even though I know what the answer is. Must show the examiner where I got my numbers from. Right, so next time you look at a cardboard box, just think how many faces. You see a lot of students who are putting down 4. Of course the answer is there's 6 faces. Top and bottom, sides, 4 sides, so that's 6 faces. And of course the answer is 3.5, and they're M marks and A marks, so you must show a method.